Hello, welcome to my presentation on improving Sunshine's ERP system. Today we're going to talk about the insides of the Sunshine Fashion Company, what are its problems, and what are the probable solutions that we can offer to the company. Okay, first off, let's talk about the company background. Sunshine Company is a Sino-Japanese joint company which originally produced OEM or original equipment manufacturer for cashmere sweaters, but soon evolved into an integrated clothing manufacturer. Today, it is considered one of the top fashion clothing companies in China. Its head office is located in Shenzhen and has 3 regional offices that leads a total of 14 branch offices. Has 3 large factories, and it has a total of 220 retail outlets, currently employing 1,000 employees. Its organization orientation is vertical and has made its business process a quick one, spanning only 20 days from design to delivery. An average clothing of Sunshine costs 3,000 yuan. They are considered luxury items already, but Sunshine customers are highly fashionable, and season after season, item prices change dramatically. Sunshine turns 150 million yuan a year from domestic sales. Now, regarding their business process starts from preparing the stocks. The stocks are then tagged with barcodes and then distributed to the regional offices. The regional offices are now responsible for distributing these stocks to the branch offices. And lastly, these branch offices distribute and replenish stocks for the retail points. At the end of the season, leftovers are sent back to the head office to be repackaged, re-inspected, and put another barcode depending on their current value. Now let's talk about the problems of the system of fashion, Sunshine Fashion. I have detected 2 general problems of the Sunshine Fashion Company. First, it's the system problems, and secondly, the employees' behaviors. Now, the system problems are as follows. While the sales are being tracked by the RFID ERP system, stock levels are not. They don't have any mechanism to find out how much is being distributed to each branch office to the retail outlets. They are also able to track the different holidays, making the market situations for every branch different, disabling them to track promotions. Thirdly, discount rates cannot be tracked for every retail point. That is also because of the second reason, because they don't know the holidays exactly, so they don't know how much discount rates are being given by each regional office. Fourthly, returned stocks cannot be tracked and verified accurately. There is no system on finding out exactly how much is the price of a stock that is being returned. And then stock information, though it is included in update, it had to be entered manually, giving time for the employees or the fraudulent employees to cheat on the system or fabricate data. Now, the employees' behaviors are somewhat cruel. Employees do not necessarily follow time frames set by the head office. They delay the time frame of the promotion so that from the original time or date of promotion, they sell the products with its original price and then delay it and start it on another day or another day, pocketing the difference between the original start to the day that they started the promotion. Then the barcode of return stocks are being changed. They try to lift the price of a product as much as 100%, changing the barcode so that they can pocket the difference between what they are changed barcode to the original price of the stock. Then there's the recruitment of managers based on their strength of relationship with the department store manager, which is a very bad habit, business preference, because the business managers, the branch managers should be liable enough to have their leadership skills and management skills not on their relationship levels. Now, the objective of this document is to provide a solution that will cover the issue regarding the manual means of updating the records or the faulty system procedures of the manufactured goods before the decrease in the company's sales revenue for the next couple of months. Now, the solution I am recommending to this Sanjay fashion company is implementing a SAP Business One solution. SAP Business One solution is an integrated ERP system, can be embedded on every business processes. So what is the justification behind this recommendation I have? Since Sunshine Fashion is a large company that has large sales returns, it can be afforded by the company. Implementing SAP Business One, though it is costly, it can be afforded by the company, judging from the sales it has, the average sales it has per year, which is 150 million. Secondly, its suitability. Sunshine Fashion is not like any other companies. It's the same. It has the same procedures, business procedures. That's why it is suited. And next thing is necessity, because having this SAP Business One ERP system is would hinder the different tactics of the bug being 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 employed by the system. So if they're going to implement this SAP Business One right now, they're going to prevent the misbehaviors being shown by the employees. Now, what are the benefits of implementing the SAP solution? The stock sales real-time update. So every time there are changes on the system, they're going to document it real-time and going to give a real-time update to the head office. So giving the head office a real control, real handful of control over what is happening by its business. And then there are date-specified changes, because there were also things that was discussed like different holidays for different regions in China. So their date-specified changes will notify the head office on what is happening and what should happen. So they can see what is happening for every region, every reader point. So there's perfect knowledge on what is happening. Then there is this integrated database. Using the integrated database, no one can fabricate fake data. If they're going to put in on not valid value, it's just going to return an error, or it's just going to give an imbalance in the balance sheet of the company. So in other words, faking can be detected using the SAP solution Business One. So that's it. Now let's head over to the cost and implementation of the SAP Business One. Before starting the SAP Business One, there should be a hardware. By the way, the software SAP Business One solution should be coded directly from the SAP company, and the price may vary depending on the complexity of the problem. And I think because of the simplicity of the business process of Sunshine Fashion, it should be on just a standard cost, and based on the size of the company, its workforce, its different processes, there should be a cut on the cost. There should be a discount. Now let's talk about the hardware. This Ultra Server 1 unit should be located into the head office. Its current estimated price is $2,254. We have a standard server 2 units, which should be located on the 3 regional offices, wherein the branch offices reports, and then we have basic server 2 units, which should be placed on the factory so that we can track the production of the factories. Then we have a basic server 14 units, which should be placed for every branch office where the retail points report. Then we have the basic terminals. This basic terminals should be used on the 220 retail points outside. So what they're going to do is just report the sales and the stock levels and the current area, and we send it to the branch office, the branch office sending to the regional office sending to the head office. And we have a 16 socket switch, 15 units. Based on the average number of the basic terminals we have, we can employ a 16 socket switch so that we can utilize it. And we have a broadband router for the unit. This is for every branch offices so that they can use the wireless internet technology to transmit data to the head office. Then we have to the regional offices. Then we have the broadband router again for 3 units. This is for the regional office so that they can forward the data they have, the updates they have to the head office. And another broadband router for the factory so that they can send the data as well. And we have a plan here for Mbps bandwidth for the 8 offices. Then we divide, this is monthly, so we times it by 12, and then we times it by $22 estimate. So we have a rough estimate of $77,635.58. So that goes as my solution to the problem of Sunshine Fashion Company. Thank you very much.